The year 2025 marks the arrival of one of the largest and most spiritually significant events on Earth. The Mahakumbh Mela, a sacred pilgrimage held once every 12 years, will take place from January 13th to February 26, 2025, in Prayagraj, India. This monumental event attracts millions of devotees from across the globe, who come to partake in sacred rituals and immerse themselves in the holy waters at the confluence of the Ganga, Yamuna, and the mythical Saraswati rivers. The Mahakumbh is more than just a religious observance. It is a reflection of India's rich cultural tapestry, fostering unity and collective heritage among people from diverse backgrounds. Devotees believe that by taking a dip in these sacred waters on auspicious days like Makar Sankranti and Mauni Amavasya, they can cleanse themselves of past sins and receive divine blessings. With projections suggesting that over 450 million people will join the pilgrimage, the Mahakumbh is not just an event but a convergence of faith, self-realization, and communal harmony. It serves as a powerful platform for spiritual cleansing, where people from all walks of life come together to renew their connection to the divine. To manage this massive gathering, the Uttar Pradesh government has undertaken extensive infrastructural developments, transforming Prayagraj into a temporary city. From medical centers and sanitation facilities to improved roads and transportation networks, every aspect of this endeavor is designed to ensure a seamless experience for the millions who will attend. Modern technology plays a key role in ensuring the safety and efficiency of this colossal gathering. The Integrated Command and Control Center, ICCC, will oversee all aspects of the event, utilizing advanced technologies such as AI-powered surveillance, drones, and real-time monitoring systems to maintain order and ensure the well-being of attendees. The Mahakumbh is not just about rituals. It is a vibrant celebration of culture, tradition, and community. From devotional singing and religious assemblies to dance performances and spiritual discourse, the event provides a platform for artistic expression, spiritual growth, and cultural exchange. As with any large-scale event, environmental concerns are inevitable. With over 100 million pilgrims expected, the Mahakumbh poses challenges related to pollution and waste management. In response, the authorities are implementing sustainability initiatives such as waste segregation, eco-friendly transportation, and solar power solutions to minimize the ecological impact. The Mahakumbh also emphasizes community service and collective responsibility. Volunteers play an integral role, contributing to crowd management, medical aid, and environmental cleanup. The sense of community and togetherness fosters spiritual and social engagement, reinforcing the importance of Sewa, service, Dawn, charity, and Balai, well-being. At its heart, the Mahakumbh is about spiritual cleansing and self-realization. The sacred bathing rituals, especially at the Triveni Sangam in Prayagraj, are a means to wash away sins and seek blessings for personal growth. These rituals, conducted during auspicious astrological alignments, deepen the spiritual significance of the gathering. The Mahakumbh is also an opportunity for cultural exchange. Pilgrims and visitors can engage in workshops, learning traditional crafts like pottery and weaving, or exploring spiritual practices such as yoga and meditation. This exchange of knowledge and experiences creates a deeper connection between individuals from diverse cultural backgrounds. As the Mahakumbh 2025 unfolds, it becomes not only a gathering of faith, but also a symbol of unity, community, and shared spiritual heritage. From the sacred rituals to the environmental efforts, from the cultural performances to the communal service, the Mahakumbh is a testament to the enduring power of faith and the collective human spirit. Mahakumbh 2025, a landmark spiritual event, a cultural celebration, and a collective journey of faith and devotion, a moment that transcends time, a pilgrimage that will resonate in the hearts of millions for generations to come. Join us in experiencing the Mahakumbh 2025, a sacred confluence of ancient rituals, modern innovations, and universal unity.